Maybe they're sandpipers. But you can see they're going crazy there, trying to get something to eat. Alright, the tide is flowing out. Look at it. It's got quite a bit of velocity on it right there. And when the tide goes out, what happens? I'll show you guys over here. See these little birds? They are going crazy right now. They kind of match the color. Of the sand. Maybe they're sandpipers. You can see they're going crazy there, trying to get something to eat. You can see them right there.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking with me all the way to the end of this video. Visit me directly at andrereese.biz. 4 things to do: like, follow, subscribe, hit that bell. Stay safe, guys. Lift the glass to freedom. Stay woke and don't get TikTok. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video.